What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis and we are back with yet another video today, and I needed to get this video out to you guys extremely quickly because we got some news about the Churchill Capital Corp 4 merger with Lucid Motors. The ticker symbol for this SPAC, as you all already probably know, is CCIV. We're going to go ahead and talk about the article that came out, look at the price movement, and I'm going to give you guys my opinion about what's going on. So if you're new around here, please hit that subscribe button. Please throw a thumbs up on the video and a comment down below about your thoughts on this stock is always greatly appreciated. As always, folks, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for entertainment purposes only. So, an article just came out on Seeking Alpha. SPAC Churchill Capital for spikes on report closed to deal with Lucid Motors. So, SPAC Churchill Capital 4 jumped 35% on a Reuters report that the company is close to a deal to take Lucid Motors public at a valuation of $12 billion. CCIV has started talks with investors to raise more than $1 billion by selling shares in a PIPE transaction. Reuters, I don't even know how to pronounce that, Reuters said, citing people familiar, the PIPE could reach $1.5 billion depending on investor demand. If the PIPE fundraising succeeds, deal could happen as early as this month, according to the report. Recall on February 12th, Michael Klein raised $1.7 billion for a new Churchill Capital SPAC such as CCIV, and then just a little bit more information about the stock down there. So this is insane news, guys. We first talked about this back whenever it was at $12.50, and it seems as if the merger deal with Lucid Motors is closer to coming to fruition than we actually thought of before. So at this point, the stock, I mean, it just absolutely shot up. It was sitting at around $38, shot up 30%. Now it's sitting at around $52, $53, and we're still not even close to market close just yet. It's bouncing around like crazy. There's a lot of volatility. For me personally, I am not going to be getting into this stock. I didn't buy it, unfortunately. I didn't buy it whenever it was at $12.50 when I first talked about it. And I told you guys in that video that I wasn't going to buy in until we have something more definitive. Now it's at the point, $51. I feel like there's just too much hype. We still haven't had a 100% official announcement yet, guys, and this thing is sitting at $51, which is absolutely crazy if you ask me. Now, if you bought into the stock early on, whenever we first talked about it, congratulations, you made a ton of money so far on it. Me personally, I'm going to have to step out of this one. I'm just going to have to watch this one and give you guys the news as it comes out because I like doing that even for stocks that I'm not into. I like giving you guys the news as soon as I hear about it. So here I am telling you guys the news, but this is not one that I'm investing in. This is not one that I'm planning on investing in unless we see, some type of dip in the price after the definitive agreement is actually announced. So we'll see how this one moves. Let me know what you guys think down below. I really appreciate you guys watching. I know this one's going to be a short one because, I just need to get this information out to you guys. I mean, this thing just absolutely skyrocketed. I remember in the early days when we first started talking about this SPAC, it was sitting at a price point where, your risk tolerance could be, it could be understood. If it was sitting at 13, 14, $15, okay, your risk there because it is a SPAC at the end of the day. So the risk there was $5. And at the end of the day, you were investing in Michael Klein, a person that, he has a very, very good track record. He has taken, businesses to the moon before. So, he's a great investor, very smart, wise guy. And you were investing primarily in him because the Lucid Motors rumors back then were in their infancy. But at this point, it's like, okay, now we still have Michael Klein, of course, but now we have something a little bit more solidified when it comes to the Lucid Motors rumors. They are still just rumors, nothing official yet. But it seems as if this thing might come to light. Let me know what you guys think down below. I appreciate you guys watching as always. Man, it's been a roller coaster with this one, guys. We'll see how this one goes. I appreciate you guys. Peace out.